Our next Christmas pattern are little Christmas lights, and you could use these as an applique. So you could put that, for example, you could put a few on a little card, or you could use it as a garland, and you could use it as a garland around the tree or as a garland sort of around the hearth. So you can use, I am using a double knit, it's quite a fine one, and I'm using a 4.5mm hook, but you can use any weight of yarn and an appropriate hook size to go with it. And we are going to start with a magic chain. Okay, and into the magic, no, not magic chain, magic circle. Oh, it's too, obviously too early for me. Magic circle. And within the magic circle, we're going to make 8 single crochets. So I've already chained my pulling through on the loop. So 8 single crochets, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and then we're going to pull that tight, just making sure it doesn't twist, and join those together. And the first one, just like so. We've got a little circle now. So now on the second round, we're going to chain 2, and into the first 3 stitches we're going to increase, so we're going to put 2 single crochets into the first 3 stitches, so that will take us up to 6. So 1, 2 in the first one, 1, 2 in the second one, and then 2 in the third one. So that's our first set of stitches done. Then we're going to put into the next one a half double crochet and a double crochet. So half double crochet, yarn over, put it through the stitch, pull the yarn through, you've got 3 on the loop, on the hook should I say, and then you are going to yarn over and pull through all 3 even, and then a double crochet, yarn over through the stitch, pull the yarn through, yarn over through 2, yarn over through 2. And the next one, we're going to do that in reverse. So we're going to put a double crochet, then a half double crochet. So double crochet, half double crochet, and then 2 single crochets in each of the remaining stitches. So we'll have 3 stitches left because we started over here. So 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, and then the next one, 1, 2, and then the next one, 1, 2. We're going to join, and effectively that's the first part of our little light done. So just going to cut that off. Okay, now I want you to imagine you've got a little row of these, and then what you're going to do is you are going to join them. So we're going to imagine this is all being, just very quickly so I can show you. So to finish that off, I'm going to, you could use any colour. The pattern calls for black, but you could use any colour. I'm using, this is like a lovely green colour. So what you can do is, I would personally make a chain, and so if I was doing a length of these, I might put, I don't know, say let's do 20 and see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, I'd probably do a little bit more than that, but for the purpose of this, I'm going to do a chain of 20. So this is a part of a series of different ideas for Christmas, quick Christmas decorations. So I will do one on garlands and the actual the string that you could use for it. So bear that in mind and have a look at that if you don't particularly like this style. So what we're going to do now is we are going to go to the top, so where we've just sewn in, and all we're going to do is we're going to put 2 single crochets into the top, maybe 3. Pattern says 2, but we might do 3. So 1, 2, yeah, I'm going to do 3, and then for this you would carry on chaining as such, and then that would be your little Christmas light, and obviously you would have then hopefully a lovely little selection of them in different colours. I think that would be a very very pretty festive decoration. And obviously if you've got, like, so for example my room is like a lilac-y purple, a grey, silver, and there's a bit of lime green, so you could of course do it to suit your home decor, or if you were gifting it. These take no time at all really to make up. I think I'm on 8 minutes now, and that was for a tutorial. I've sewn them in and I've started to do the garland section as well. So that is little Christmas lights.